Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another video. This one is the install video for the LFD roof rack. This is the 7/8 aluminum from LFD Off-Road for the 5th Gen 4Runner. Now if you guys caught my last video with horrible audio, again I apologize. I explained in the unboxing why I chose LFD Off-Road, what I like about their company, how you can upgrade as you want. I started off with crossbars right here. Those are steel crossbars. They sent me out this roof rack to review for you all because of the amount of you guys that actually liked the crossbars and of you all that bought them after I made that video. So if you are looking to upgrade, this is gonna be perfect for you because if you already have the crossbars like that, all you need to do is just get the side rails and a wind fairing, and you're almost done because you already have the crossbars. I was gonna do it outside, but it's about to rain, so we're gonna have to pull back in the 4Runner. So now I've already detailed the 4Runner, cleaned it all up, put sealant and everything up on top of the vehicle, clay barred that. You guys don't have to do that. I'm OCD about my stuff, but I did all of that as well. And I already took off the original roof rack. I have a video for that down in the description for you guys so you guys can see how to take off your original OEM roof rack. However, it is also stated in here in LFD's awesome instructions. I love their instructions. It was so easy to do with the crossbars, and these seem just as easy. This is your little plastic cover on your 4Runner, so a pry tool like this that has a little angle to it will allow you to get under that and hit those little tabs on each side, and that way you don't dent the top of your 4Runner like I did about a year ago. Okay, so clean this as much as you can, and if you see right here how there's a little gap, that is kind of where we're gonna put this silicone, guys, and then these spacers right here that they provide you are gonna go right on top, and it's gonna kind of spread the silicone out a little bit. And remember, we're using the factory bolts. I'll just put a towel up here since it's only me doing it. I want to make sure everything doesn't get scratched and messed up. So you don't want to tighten this all the way down, like nothing on the rack, tighten down all the way because you still want to be able to adjust and move the rack as you put the crossbars on. So that way you know everything is good to go. Perfect. Now you do the exact same on the other side. Okay, so now that you have one side on, go ahead and bring it up. Make sure that it's center. Go ahead and take your bolt, which has these little notches right here. Go on through with the bolt. Those notches are gonna allow the bolt not to move. Go ahead and take a flat washer, lock washer, and then your nut. Now don't tighten it down all the way because you wanna make sure that all your rails are able to go on properly. And then once you have everything spaced out the way you want it, you know, maybe we're gonna have to move this forward a little bit so it looks nice and even, or however you need to do it with max tracks, high lift jack, tent, whatever you got up top, awning, and that is basically where it's gonna stay. The rest of the rails are the exact same. So you do every single rail the exact same, and even the wind fairing has those same two connectors on it. So you just do everything the exact same way. All right guys, and it is done. I am very sweaty because it is still raining. Yes, it's dark out now and it was sunny when I started, but I started about 5 o'clock and it's 7-ish now. So with doing that and recording and just BSing because we're about to buy a condo hopefully, getting all that stuff figured out, it should only take you an hour. And I did this absolutely by myself, going back and forth from side to side with a ladder, making sure that a towel was down, like over meticulously doing this, if that's even a proper sentence. So maybe an hour, guys. So again, huge thank you to LFD Off-Road for sending this out. Very awesome of them to repay someone for buying their product, making a video of it, and getting sales for them, and then they send that out. The company's awesome. They're so good. To me, this is the best roof rack out there for the 4Runner. I will make a video on that because you can upgrade as you go. It's super easy to put together. If you're by yourself, you could do it just in your garage. You don't need to go to a shop. You don't need two people to lift it onto the vehicle. Like, everything about it is just so good. I will have wind test noise videos coming up for you guys. I will have later in the future if it rusts, anything like that. So definitely subscribe to the channel for further updates for this and any other 4Runner stuff that I do. If you guys like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and I will catch you all in the next one. All right, see you later. All right, Bree. Initial thoughts.
It looks like that, what's the other blue called? The voodoo blue one that we see all the time.
Oh, the...
It looks like the voodoo blue 4Runner. I like it though.
What do you mean? The color's the same.
No, but it's taller than your other one.
Oh, yeah. Oh, you're talking about the rack itself.
The rack itself. The one thing I don't like is the color of these. You need to like plastic dip those black or red.